Welcome to Legacy's Electronic Alopecia Evaluation Tool tutorial. This video aims to introduce you to our method and device for hair image analysis, and more specifically for assessing alopecia. We have based our method on the Severity of Alopecia tool SALT, developed by Olson and Canfield, who has served as a guideline for alopecia research and for following progression of alopecia. On the left side of the screen, you can see 4 different transparent grids reproducing Olson's diagrams. These grids have been developed to help photographers capture the right angle and position, helping standardizing the pictures. Thanks to the grid, the person taking the picture can adjust his position and the angle, ensuring the grid is perfectly superposed to the image of the subject's head. Here's the same procedure for the left side of the head and frontal or top side of the head, and the occipital or back side of the head. The use of a digital grid will also be available when using a smartphone. After pictures are taken, the investigator then logs to a secured website where he'll be able to upload the pictures and store them. A code is assigned to each patient, and every time a new set of pictures is uploaded, the investigator needs to type the right code for the corresponding patient. The investigator is asked to introduce the date of the shooting section and the number of the visit. Then the pictures of the 4 sides are uploaded. The illustrations serve as a guide for evaluators to select the correct pictures. In the Evaluation tab, we can access the stored files and initiate the evaluation. First, the grid is adjusted to the correct size and position of the patient's head. An anonymization feature is integrated to the system. For a better visualization, the brightness of the image can be adjusted. For assigning the percentage of hair loss to each quadrant, an example is proposed for those not familiar with the rating process. The same process is repeated for the other pictures. In the pictures of the frontal side of this patient, the evaluator reports a 20% hair loss on the top left quadrant, 5% hair loss for the top right, 10% hair loss for the bottom left, and no hair loss for the last quadrant. As shown here, thanks to this tool, the severity of alopecia is assessed in less than 20 seconds per side. After all pictures are evaluated, the SALT score is automatically calculated. This avoids any possible calculation mistakes made by the investigator. A PDF file is then created. This file may be shared with other physicians, inserted to the patient's medical record, or serve as a source document in clinical trials. Here are some tips for taking best quality pictures. First, the patient should be looking straight forward. Selecting a reference allowing to keep the head in the right position, like a switch on the wall, can be of help. Make sure the grid fits correctly to the image and it's not too small or too big. This tool's versatility makes it appropriate for the scoring of several hair loss and scalp disorders. Thanks to its simplicity and accuracy, our electronic alopecia evaluation tool is appropriate for the use at the physician's office as well as during clinical trials. We are currently using this tool in 2 of our randomized controlled trials for 2 different types of alopecia, in pediatric alopecia areata and chemotherapy-induced alopecia. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.